So, my lecture 8 topic is, does hijab boost the confidence or lower it? A hijab symbolizes purity, modesty, and privacy. When a woman wears hijab, it means that they are ensuring their privacy and seeking modesty. It relates to the purity of their thoughts. Wearing hijab can bring a woman confidence, employer, and identity. A research published in the British Journal of Psychology today, which shows that the British Muslim women who wear the hijab feel generally more better about their body images as compared to the women who are not wearing hijab. Hijab offers Muslim women a small protective effect in terms of feeling positive about their body images. It creates a sense of individuality, and religious association with hijab gives confidence. Women observe their faith, they know that they are doing this for Allah, so Allah reward them. So these things give them confidence and protection. A common reason for wearing hijab among Muslims is the elevation of self-esteem. Women often experience high level of self-esteem and confidence by wearing hijab. They feel more comfortable. Some women think that they are basically feels that and express the sense of freedom by wearing hijab. They feel that their hijab gives them a sense of liberation to express themselves as they want. Hijab strongs women empowerment. Women who wear hijab is more clear about their thoughts because they decided to wear hijab by considering all the situation. So there is no confusion in their mind, and she is the more confident person. So in the end, we can say that hijab boosts the confidence. So we have to encourage our young generations, young girls to wear hijab, promote hijab, and promoting hijab is a very good thing for our nation and our society.